At least 4 tornadoes were observed near Minneapolis on June 29th, according to Mike Griesinger, the lead forecaster at the National Weather Service office in the Twin Cities. There were no immediate reports of injuries, but the storm left more than 50,000 residents in the area without power. Meanwhile, in the South Dakota, tornado warning sirens were activated from Saturday afternoon, June 28, through Sunday. The storm caused severe damage and forced hundreds of guests at the Buffalo Ridge Resort and Spa to take shelter in restaurants and tunnels. Sarah Guest, one of the residents, said she tried to calm people as best as she could, including children, pets, and the elderly. The National Weather Service classified the tornado as an EF3. Wind speeds were estimated to reach between 136 and 165 miles per hour, with a width of approximately 100 yards and a path length of 6.85 miles on the ground.